Okay, my glazes are here. They've just been delivered. So let's have a look. And let's hope for no nasty surprises. Because it has happened before that I received broken glaze jar and it's an absolute mess. I mean, locally in England, customer service works quite well. So if anything breaks, we do get either a refund or a replacement. So can't complain about that. But it's still a pain in the bum. So let's get some stuff out. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at this. I mean, this is bad packing, 100%. Look at the state of that. I mean, would you really send? I would never send anything out like this. This is madness. Look at this. Anyway, it is what it is, but doesn't look like anything is broken so far. I don't see any spilled glazes, so let's see what we have. Right, elements, Mako elements, Spanish moss. I do tend to get a lot of small pots because my work, as you know, my work is small. I work like very small pieces or miniatures, so I don't really need massive tubs of glaze, which works out a little bit cheaper sometimes, but it doesn't, because maybe I get small and it costs less, but I buy more. Of course I do. So this is Element Waterfall number 2. This is Night Sky. Looking forward to this. That's it's got some crystals in it. I'm looking forward to it, all of them, to be honest. But yeah, got some Stroke and Coat little ones. I don't know how to pronounce that. Cantaloupe? Cantaloupe? I don't know. Anyway, Grapple, Grapple, whatever. Camelback. I really wanted a darker brown. I have Crackerjack brown, but I wanted the one that was a little bit darker, so that is that. And you'll have to excuse my accent or my pronunciation, as you know I am not English. Then I have these two, Orange Appeal and Melancholy. Looking forward to these. Yay, birthday present. I've used this one before, but I only had a small, and because I use it quite a lot, I decided to get a big one. So that's a really nice, bright, shiny red. And that's that. Now, this, I have no idea. I've never used this brand before, but it looked quite good on the picture. Now we'll have to have a look. I have no idea how to pronounce any of it, but it's a celadon, so I've been meaning to get some celadon glazes to try them. So yeah, that is that. You can tell me how to pronounce this, or if you have used it, you could perhaps post some of your pictures. That would be cool. Laguna Clay Company. I've not used this before. I've heard of the company, but I've not used the brand before. But it looks good, right? We'll see. Then we have Shipwreck, which I don't think I have ordered actually, because I already have it. So no idea what this is doing in here. That's weird. I'll have to check on the actual document and invoice. But yeah, I already had this, and I love Shipwreck actually, but I don't know why that's there, because I still have a big full tub of it. So we'll see what they've done. I'll put these on the other side. Then I got some Amaco Celadon. And there you go. Downpour. No idea what this is gonna be like, but I love blue. Blue is my favorite color, so I'm pretty sure I will like that. Amaco. And more Amaco. Blue green. Satin matte. Love that. That looks good. Yep. I can't wait to try this one. Yay! I'm so happy and excited. I was actually in the middle of glazing when this got delivered. Now, this is a vintage gold. I'm gonna do some test style for this because one of the urn that I'm making, my client wants gold, purple and black. So I got this gold to try. So I'm gonna do some test styles and obviously, you know, mix it with some purple and black and see what I can come up with. Vintage gold, that looks really good. Looking forward to that one. Every time I try the gold, it never really comes out gold, so it's a bit annoying. So let's hope this works. That's another blue Celadon Lagoon. That looks gorgeous. Yes, I like that one. Oh, a lot of test styles to make. Yay, more work. Oh, this one, these have to actually be ordered in because it's pre-ordered only. That's why I have to wait a little bit longer, but that looks stunning. Celadon Mulberry. Mulberry? I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry, Mulberry. Mulberry, I don't know. Anyway, that is a wonderful colour. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to use that. That's that. What else do we have? One more Celadon. There we go. Love it. Absolutely love it. Snapdragon. Anything that says dragon I like, so there we go. That was an easy choice, and it's nice color as well anyway, so yeah, good. That's that. What else do we have? Chunkies. This one was on sale, but it has a painted desert. It was on sale, but it was more expensive than the others anyway. Probably because of the red. I mean, usually red glazes tend to cost more, at least in the UK. I don't know where you are, but there we go. Probably because of the chemicals in it. Well, surely is. So that's that one. What else do we have? That's another gold that I want to try. That's saturation gold. Also Amaco. That looks pretty cute too. I love the satin. Well, hopefully it is that's the finish, but yeah, that looks really nice. If you have used any of these, I would love to see your results and your pieces, please. That would be awesome. So just post them on our pages. That would be lovely. So yeah, that's that. Well, I'm glad there is no bad surprises. Anyway, that's the most important. That's another one with crystals in it. Element. I love Mako elements because they are low fire glazes, and the way they break over texture is absolutely amazing. Like, they really look like stoneware. I just really like using these ones for non-functional work. Obviously, I wouldn't use it. Well, mind you, I have to try it as well to use it on stoneware to see the results, but usually they tend to fade. The colors tend to fade a lot when you overfire it. So, but volcanic glow. And oh, I know what they've done. Oh, I am absolutely furious. There is no satin patina. I actually bought satin patina and they put shipwreck in it. That's what happened, because I can't find. That just drove me insane right now, because I was really looking forward to that satin patina one, and it's not here. Oh, that is so annoying. So annoying. Anyway, Moss Creek. This is yeah, that's another nice green one, I think, if I remember right. And Gold Mine. Ooh, I don't remember what this looks like, but also has crystals in it, but it should be good. So yeah, what happened then is I asked for satin patina. For some reason they have given me Shipwreck. I don't get it. So I'm gonna be on the phone next, sadly, because I actually need to do some glazing, so I'll have to ring them and see what's going on. But yeah, that is my New Year resolution gone down the dump. I just spent £250 on this, so let's hope for the best. And I shall speak to you. No, that's not good, is it? I don't know how to end this. Right, yeah, that's my glazes. Bye now. Bye.